Unit 3, Survival English. Exercise 1, Health Problems. Listen to the conversation and fill in the missing information in the notes below. Hi, Ellen. What's the matter with you?
I think I've got a terrible cold. My nose is stuffed up, and I've got a sore throat.
Oh, that's too bad. You should be at home in bed. It's really important to get a good rest.
Yeah, you're right.
And have you taken anything for it?
No, I haven't.
Well, you should take some vitamin C, and it's also a good idea to drink lots of liquids.
That's a good suggestion. I've a bottle of vitamin C at home.
Have you seen a doctor?
Not yet.
Well, you'd better see a doctor first, and then go back home to rest.
Yeah, I'll do it right now.
Ellen, it's also helpful to cook chicken soup with some garlic in it, and drink a cup every half an hour. It really works.
Oh, chicken stock for a cold? Okay, I'll try it. Thanks.
I hope you recover soon.